Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm going to show an easy, quick and cheap way how to make homemade vegan mayonnaise, and our secret ingredient is going to be black salt. This is a great substitute for egg taste and you can find it in any Asian stores. So let's get started. The first step is to add all the ingredients except for the oil. Now give it a quick blend to mix all the ingredients together, and then you can add the oil while keeping the blender on the bottom of the jug for around 20 seconds when it starts emulsifying. Then you can start blending up and down until you get your own homemade mayonnaise. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you'll enjoy this vegan mayonnaise recipe that you can keep in the fridge for about a week. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to support us, and see you next time. Cheers!